Oh shit. This is a pretty nice setting. Kind of makes your car look lower, so I can maybe make it work.
Have it tilted.
Yeah.
The only reason it's not on the ground is it's got fucking 19-inch wheels on it.
Aren't those like stock wheels?
Yeah, they're shit. I ordered 18s.
I'm trying to get some new wheels this season too.
Like 97.
Oh, for real?
Yeah.
Are you trooping?
He out here plowing these fields and shit. I was actually down here shooting my red car. This was 2 years ago. He was sleeping in the tractor. He's a wicked cool dude.
Yeah, looks like you don't give a shit at this point.
He could really
Definitely trying to. I'm trying to do like a little pre-spring meet type of thing, just to see, you know, talk about other spots and shit. Cause it's kind of, yeah, it's hard to find a good spot, you know, where you're not gonna get cops and yeah.
It's gotta be like 26 degrees.
You wanna stance it again, maybe?
Further down?
Or like somewhere like right here, facing, yeah, this way, so I could shoot down that way maybe. It's like with all these dips and power lines, I'm trying to get the best angle. And park right under, and I'll just like shoot. And just park straight going that way so I can shoot this way.
Yep.
I love this spot, man, especially when it's like the sunset. That's when it's like the best.
Not a lot of people know at all.
I just found it one day when I was looking for spots to go shoot.
Just drove down,
Yeah.
it opened up, and you're like,
I knew there was like back roads, so I was just taking a shot. Maybe go. Do you want to go be like have some straight shots, then kind of have the tilt, or do you want to like just have that stance?
Trying to get like the flattest spot, but the stance. So it's not. I don't want to go too low, but I want my wheel cut. How's that look over there? How close is it? So I can drop it pound by pound.
Could go a little lower, a little bit more. Let me finger it. You got like a finger's worth thickness. Ah, what the fuck? I was gonna say you might have to park the other way so the sun's hitting your car, because that shadowy is not.
Want me to park the other way?
Yeah, you want that sun hitting it. Trying to find which way is the best, guys. That's actually pretty good. Slight dip in the road, which kind of sucks. It's gonna make that gap a little.
At least the sun helps a little.
Trying to have that. Okay. fucking hand's frozen. My wrist's like locking up already.
You're good, you're good.
Oh, that'll be kind of nice right there. Oh yeah, that's a nice one. Like a little tree hanging.
Sitting on a tire.
You wanna straighten out your wheel now? Cause that picture is real nice. You good? Alright, now just stay on top of your roof.
That ass was about to.
Hey man, if you want.
So what do you do? Have your GoPro recording the whole time?
Yeah, that's what I'm doing for this one because I've never.
And then just go back and edit.
Yeah, just got this thing trying to see what could do.
Yeah.
It's nice and handy, so it's like fun with vlogs. Cause it's literally have like a little stick and you just. It's so
That
fucking.
headwind, especially if you're interviewing somebody.
Yeah, it's like perfect.
You just leave it on your
Or
head,
like,
just ask questions.
or I'm doing like DIYs with like some of my work or some shit. Like, I think I got a lot of shots.
Alright. Yeah, it's cold.
Too cold. Yeah.
I'm frozen.
At least it's a Friday, but
Yeah.
shit.
I appreciate it.
Appreciate
Let me know.
it,
Yeah, fucking
I'm
let me know.
look-
Shoot them over whenever. No
Yeah,
rush.
I'm gonna look at them today.
Yeah,
and
yeah,
shit,
no
so
rush.
Gotcha.
No
Some of
rush,
your,
homie.
you got like a Dropbox or something,
I
or maybe Google Drive.
I have a Gmail account,
So
so you can send it Google Drive.
yeah.
Yeah.
So I got you. Send me your email.
Okay. Thank you, Bob.
Yeah, no, appreciate it. Have a good one.
Yeah.